Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got this. This is a mount for phones because I'm going on safari soon. I'm going on a biking safari, so how cool is that? And I wanted to get a phone mount that would be easy to take things off of. I have ones like this. These are super secure. You know, they hold the phone up there, which might be good for mountain biking as well. But I wanted something nice and small that I could take with me in my luggage. And these just aren't that small. So let's check this thing out. And I have some other ones that have like bungees that cover the top of the screen, but I didn't want that either because those make it inconvenient to use. But this one here, if you look at it, it's got a very strong width of it, and it's super goopy and gummy on the side, so it'll hold your phone in really good. And then it's got this strap, so I can strap it around. Like if I was going to strap it here, I could strap it to that. Oh, where is it? I got to find a hole in there to strap it to. How's it go? Oh, does it go that way, inside and then out? Okay, let me try that. There we go. So there, now it's strapped on there. And then I got this and secure hold, and it's not going anywhere. And because it's also rotates, it can turn sideways. So depending on how I want to do it, I can't aim it like twist this one here. I had a bunch of different aiming, but I can't really aim it a whole lot of ways. But I could put it on the middle section of my bike. You know, the what's that called? The middle area, and it'll fit on there as well. So then I could do it that way and turn it. So I can put it on, you know, whatever that's called here, the one that goes across. The Pelotons don't have that. Here, I'll bring you over to my bike and I'll show you. I do have it. I do have a few bikes in here, so let's see what we got. So I'll show you. So this is the one I was currently using here. But that one, I didn't like the way that was held on right there. This one here, you see it's held on with that little wheel thingy, and that just didn't hold on great. So now this will go on, and because it's got the strap here, it'll fit anything. So it'll totally fit there, easy, no problem. I can put it here, and even though my this area here is so wide, it'll still fit around because of the way this thing is, and then it turns, you know, so it rotates, so it could go wherever. So this is going to be a super cool little phone mount. So I'm excited to use this thing on Safari, and it makes it so easy to get the phone out. You just squeeze those little things there. I'm hoping that the sides don't push on the buttons to turn it on and off. I did kind of try it a little bit before I unboxed it just now, and it didn't push the buttons. I guess it's got enough of a curve. I don't know if you see that curve there, so it grips the front and not the buttons. So very cool. So I like this thing. So 360 rotation. I can't remember the brand. Let's see if it's on the box here. It is Squeezy. So that's it there. So that's what it looks like. But I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description, and go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.